Yo, peta. Wala. Kaya nakoy shoot karon. Nya. Idugmok na palihog sir. Okay. Ayos.
Side that says Allegro, Post Juris Gate Shop. You turn right, go back to go to the city. It's called Eme. Okay, it's called Eme because it's zigzag and medyo pataas siya. Most of you were able to see it, I'm sure, is on your way here. So from there, you make your way back to the sports complex. Turn left is total. Your cut-off time is 7 a.m. Sunday morning. Breakfast and lechon by a generous sponsor, runner, friend of ours who doesn't want to be identified was donated. So we're also inviting the 50-miler runners, the finishers, to join us at 7 a.m. Sunday for breakfast and your awarding of the buckles and medals to the successful participants. For the 50-milers, you will immediately get your medals at the finish. But if you want to join us on Sunday morning, take a look at how 100-milers look like at the finish line. You have 100 kilometers. Now, because of your support, 50-miler guys,
Thank you.
if you finish this successfully, I will be accepting you as participants in the H1 next year. If you finish 50 miles successfully. Yeah. And then already inviting you for maybe
Video na ko.
for next year's Charter Day celebration series in Bog.
Sa mga kasulti
Diba,
sa imong
Charter Day
runway.
June. We will be holding the Santander to Bogo Run. It's 200 kilometers. There will be a single stage and there will be a team. Meron naman siyang team category, 50 per kilometer. Ultra distance for runners to cover. But for the brave ones, maybe we can introduce a single stage. This is standby because that will coincide with the Charter Day celebrations of Bogo. Santander to Bogo, that's 200. Please do your best to make it in 20 hours or less. It's 20 and it's based on my watch. I have my watch.
Mag-red.
There's
Ipang ni mo.
no start of the pet, so gusto nyo ba mag-start sa mga
Ano man eh? Wala.
Okay, sige. Relax muna kayo. Yung mga gusto mag-fill ng kanilang mga hydration bags, may tubig po dito.
Kabidyo no. Kabidyo na. Sa may kasulti sa kuan atong round karon padre.
Basta nag-iatay. Kaya ako nag-drive, ako kato. Dagan pa siya.
Ikaw master.
Pila. Manirado pag yun, di sila mamaligyan na. Ipugos na nila. Pila ka po kapalit kayo? Ako. Ako. Pila na kasi nila. 200 kape.
For the 100 milers, your pacers will be allowed starting at 5 p.m. tomorrow. 5 p.m.
Water, please. Sakpan. Wala magic bean, ikaduha lang. Hi, Pet. This is our water world. Sakyan na ni Kevin Cosmo. Last bet. Butangin na lang di content ka na mag water. Kaning kabo. Para.
Epictos planak.